In this video, we're going to show you how to create a DIY custom closet solution for your kids' closet using the closet organizing systems that you can find over on EasyClosets.com. Hi, this is Sharon Rowley from MomOf6.com, and today I want to show you how easy it is to put together a complete custom closet for one of your kids' bedrooms using the products from EasyClosets.com. And the best part is you can do all of this in just one weekend. Now, our two teenage daughters share a bedroom, and therefore they share a closet. And when we moved into this house, the prior homeowners had left behind these wall units, which have been helpful. And then we have a hanging bar, and then we've added a space here at the bottom with little mesh containers and cubbies. But it does not make effective use of the space. As teenage girls, they don't use a lot of the hanging space. We really need a lot more shelving to go on in here. So we want to maximize the way this closet is laid out. So it all started last weekend when we took the measurements of the inside of the closet so that we could design the space that we wanted on EasyClosets.com website. The process is simple: to enter the dimensions of the space you have to work with and then use their system to design how you want the closet to be laid out. In just 2 days, they shipped all of the component pieces to our door, along with a set of easy instructions on how to assemble our Easy Closet. So it's time to get started. The first thing we're going to do is empty out the contents of this closet so that we have a blank canvas to work with. The first step we did was we emptied the contents of the closet, took out the units that were in here, and even though the closet's really going to be hidden by the system that we install, we just wanted to take a few extra hours. We're going to patch up the holes from the things that we removed and just give the inside of the closet a quick coat of paint, just so we're starting with a fresh, clean surface. All right, now the real fun begins. So as you can see, Steve hung up the bar that goes across, and that's going to bear all of the weight of the shelving unit. And he's painted everything, so we're starting with a fresh, clean surface. So let's begin. Later, we were done. Each of our daughters now have plenty of shelf space, a hanging bar, and 3 soft close pull-out drawers. Here we are a day later. The girls had moved all of their things back into the closet and organized it, well, the way that teen girls see fit. Easy Closets provides a great way to build your own DIY custom closet like we did for our girls' room. And it is honestly less than half the price of what you would find at some of those other custom closet companies. Now in our home, we design our closets to hold all of the kids' clothing. So in the kids' bedrooms, we don't have dressers or drawers. And that really serves 2 purposes. One, it gives us more space in the kids' bedrooms where they can have desks to work at. And 2, it saves money. It's a lot more cost effective to build one organized closet system than to invest in bedroom furniture. You can find more information about this project and links in the description below. And I hope to see you over on MomOf6.com, where we talk about all things related to organizing your home, your life, planning kids' parties, and taking great family road trips together. Thanks.